What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I've been a little slow about uploading videos and stuff, but I've just been busy with school and this car being my daily driver. I don't really have time to just pull the car apart and work on it like I want to. But in this video, you've already seen from the title, I am changing out the clutch, or actually I did change out the clutch. I did this maybe like 2-3 months ago now. I just haven't been able to edit the videos, but I finally got to. It's not the best of edits. It's just, I'm new to this. I'm new to recording everything. I'm new to talking into the camera like this right now is a little awkward for me. But I do want to make these videos just to show people that pretty much anyone can do it. I didn't know how to change a clutch before this. I literally just Googled it, watched a couple videos. It took me 4 days over the span of 2 weeks to do this. I was lucky enough that my wife, I could use her car while my car was here in the garage. But yeah, it definitely wasn't easy, but it definitely was doable. And at least one good thing came out of it was that I was able to buy tools as I needed them, because like anyone knows, you don't just go out and buy all the tools that you want or all the tools that you need. You kind of just build a collection of tools over time, and this is what that project helped me do. Again, this isn't a how-to video. I'm not an expert. I literally just Googled it, and if I can do it, I know that you guys can do it. Hopefully this will be some sort of motivation for you to maybe possibly buy a super cheap STI or a Subaru and put some time into it and then make it your own. All right, thanks. Alright, so here's the parts I ordered. I did order as much OEM parts as I could. Subaru, I got it from like a Subaru warehouse out in Connecticut or something. I'll put the link down below. I just Google searched something honestly just to find this place, but they were able to send me everything OEM or everything new in package like I needed. And here we have the Oem Flywheel. I did want the heavier one, not so much a lighter one, because it's my understanding anyways that I guess lighter ones is more for drifting or time attack. It's better for rev matching, whereas the heavier one is a lot harder for it to slow down. So if you're just driving straight, like on a highway or even on a drag strip or whatever, it's a lot better for you. Like, I mean, I'm not 100% certain about that, but it's just some little research that I did. I'm not really sure how true it is, but nonetheless, it is OEM, and I did want to stick to OEM just for reliability purposes. Also, as you'll see, this flywheel came with a bearing. I ordered one separately, not thinking that it wouldn't come with one, but it did come with one. So if anyone needs a bearing for their flywheel, maybe they're doing a clutch job or something, whatever, I do have a new one, brand new in package Subaru. I'll give it to you for free. I'll send it out to you or whatever. Just message me down below or comment down below or whatever. Or even, I'll probably even put my Instagram on here. But yeah, it's free. Whoever wants it, first come, first serve. And this is actually the clutch. I decided not to get an OEM clutch. Now, I did this job maybe like 2 months ago, 3 months ago. Knowing what I know now, I definitely would have gotten an OEM clutch or maybe an Excetti. I'll do a review on this whole clutch later on. I mean, it is a good clutch. I love it. Just for my daily driving purposes, it's not ideal, but it does work and it does get the job done. And you can see the package is already opened. I opened it when I got it just because I was really excited to do it, or just to get it or whatever. But then I realized like maybe I should unbox this for the video or for YouTube. So I did put it back. This is the only part I opened, so I kind of cheated a little bit. And here's everything I had ordered. Main rear seal. I also ordered the bolts for the flywheel. I don't know if this is true or not, but I read somewhere you're supposed to change them out when you change the flywheel, or maybe it's good practice or something, but I did do that. And then also the Oem Throwout Bearing, I've ordered that just because I heard the ACT ones have like a squeaking noise or some sort of noise that, I mean, it works properly, but as far as like quietness, I heard it's better just to go with the Subaru OEM one, which I did. I also want to give a shout out to my wife here for helping me with this. I also was using her car the whole time my car was up like this. I think I had it up for a whole week. Not because it took me a week to do it, but I had to work on it on the weekends, and during the week I was driving her car to work or to school and back or whatever. So shout out to her for, one, letting me use her car, and two, helping me actually change the clutch out and being patient with me, because this is a learning experience for me and for her, but we both had fun. We pretty much just ordered a bunch of pizza the whole time we were out there and did what we could. Alright, so this is the reason why it took me 4 days, maybe 5 days to take this transmission out. This bolt right here was stripped. Well, it's a nut really. It's for the downpipe. It's attached to the turbo. It's stripped completely. I tried vice grips. I tried, I didn't try heating it up. I don't have a heat source. But I did try pretty much everything. I even tried those little special sockets to take it out for stripped sockets or stripped nuts and bolts. But it did not work. I ended up just buying a Dremel and spending all the time to cut it off or whatever. This one nut is what I want to say added maybe 2 days to this whole project. All right, so now that the car is put back together, I do want to do a sort of review, because obviously for this video I didn't get to drive it just because I didn't have time to record it all. I will say this though, when I did first drive the car, I stalled the car maybe like 6 times before I realized that the engagement point on this ACT clutch is a lot heavier or a lot sooner than just a regular OEM engagement point. But I'll get into that in the next video. But for now, thank you for your patience. If you for my 2 subscribers, I know if I still have you guys, but thank you guys for subscribing. I'm gonna try to keep doing this. Now that the big stuff is out of the way, I'm gonna be doing the little stuff like oil changes and the air filter and the cabin air filter. I know for sure I do need to change the seals for the rear differential, and then do the oil change, of course, for that, or the gear oil change. But yeah, stick around. I'll make sure to get that to you guys as fast as possible, and then just keep commenting down below what you guys want to see, and let me know how I can do better. 1, I know I need to upload more, but you know, I've just been busy. 2, I'm still learning how to make videos, so like this video is not, or wasn't, the greatest, and I am still learning. It's a learning process for me, and I'm also getting, like, I know I had some audio issues in this video. I'm trying to, you know, get some better audio to do like voiceovers or whatever, just because talking to the camera is a little it's a little weird for me. It's a little awkward, but I'm getting used to it. But anyways, again, thanks guys for subscribing. Please comment down below what you want to see, and I'll see you in the next one.